Hi guys, my name's Sam. For those of you who already know me, you'll know that cooking is one of my favourite things that I enjoy doing. And being a nutritionist, I love to create food that is good for both fueling and recovering. So I've just finished my exercise for the morning and I'm going to make one of my favourite recovery foods, which is banana pancakes. For recovery, it's super important that we have some carbohydrate to top up that carbs that we lost during our session and also get some protein on board to help with that muscle repair and regeneration. One of the best things about banana pancakes is that it doesn't require that many ingredients and they're usually things that you can find in your cupboard. So I've got one banana, the riper the better, makes it sweeter. I've got 2 eggs, I've got 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm using buckwheat flour, but you can use any flour that you like, or you could also use rolled oats or protein powder if that's what you're used to. And I've also got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. If you want to make them for more than one person or share them with someone else, add in another banana and some more eggs. So when we're thinking about banana pancakes from a recovery perspective, the bananas is where we're getting our carbohydrate from, and our eggs is where we're getting our protein from. When we top them, if we put some yogurt on the top, we're going to get some added protein as well.